turn down the song.
He wants to take something.
All right, family. Where are we going?
Right in here.
Nowhere.
We're going nowhere.
Yeah, nowhere on this highway.
Nowhere quick.
We're going to Clearwater Beach, but there's so much traffic on the highway we can't go anywhere. Yeah, awesome old people. So it took 5 traffic jams later and some creative GPSing on my iPhone, but we are finally close to Clearwater. We stopped at Chick-fil-A. Woo, Chick-fil-A. Yummy. And we're gonna eat. Because that's what people do. They eat things. You know what it is. It's over. They were singing. We made it to Clearwater Beach. Well, Clearwater Road. Oh, I just stepped on a frisbee.
Cool.
And aren't we excited about the beach? Yeah!
No.
I love me some beaches. Beaches are my favorite.
Especially nice, sunny ones.
Nice, voluptuous, beaches.
Look at the seagull.
Hey,
Seagull. Okay, let's go. We're walking. We're walking. We're walking. Okay, and we're back. So we are at the beach finally. We are with overcrowded people and people who shouldn't be wearing bathing suits at all. At all. We're gonna walk down here and see what we can see. There is a pirate ship over there somewhere, but it's like way down there, over there somewhere. I don't know. The point is you can't see it. My brother just said, if that seagull poops on me, I'm really irritated. Ah, it's cold. Here we go, guys. The water's disgusting. Pirate ship. Awesome. So me and Joey went all the way down the beach just because we could. I don't know. Reason? Yeah. We have no reason. And now we're just walking barefoot. Awesome. On the regular road. And we're backtracking. We might go into some shops or something. Shirtless and without shoes, which you can't do that in Arkansas. Unlike most of you guys think that we can. We can't.
Most of you think
it's illegal.
we don't have shoes.
Most of you guys think that we have possums as pets. And then we marry each other's cousins.
That's not true.
That's not true at all. Even, oh, jogger. Oh my gosh, Julia Roberts. She's here. She's here.
She's definitely here.
She's filming a video.
We saw her get in the car.
She was in a bikini too. What a great coincidence.
Traffic.
Yeah, whatever. I'm a rebel.
I got you.
Let's go. We have 15 seconds. Hurry, you're not gonna make it. Let's go. Let's go through the bushes. Anybody want to let us do? Anybody? Anybody at all? Oh, I'm stepping on a cap. Ow. Ow. That hurt. That hurt. Maui Nicks. Some of these shirts in here are hilarious. I like this one. Neverland Ranch annual sleepover 92. There's some nice commenting ones that I don't really think I should talk about. Yep. That's exciting. Oh my gosh. Attack of the birds. Guys, look, it's a pigeon. A pigeon. You're the minority, buddy. You're the minority. Yeah, you better run away. What are you gonna do? Joey, what'd you do?
I just a little splinter, that's all.
I can't see it. It's really not that big of a deal.
Yes, sir.
Here you go. I don't have any paper towels or anything.
Yeah, man.
Kind of
Appreciate
dab it dry with
Yeah,
that.
There we go.
Alright, that's
Me and Joey are gonna throw around the frisbee. I'm gonna fail though, because I have one hand, because I'm gonna be vlogging. So I'm gonna be you guys and catching. And I suck already. Yeah! Okay, here we go. Told ya! Pelt that kid! Oh, not that one. Ow! Too bad Clearwater is not clear. It's like dirty water.
Hey, Carrie, can't that go underwater? This is warmer than cocoa.
I said there's no waves, and you said no, it's warmer than cocoa.
Oh my gosh, I'm done with this argument already. This little booger thinks he can swim well, but he can't. Holy nipples, it is cold. Ah!
I hope you get filled doing football. That'd be fun.
Look at that sound. I put it in my mom's hair. I'm not doing anything, man. I haven't done anything, have I? Have I?
No, I have. Ah!
You guys need a shower.
Outside showers are the best.
Dude. Okay, so we just got back in the car from going down to the beach. Okay, beaches aren't my thing just because there's too much sand, too many nastiness people going around. I mean, I saw Shakira, but she was not round in the right places. My brother has some shells he got there. Pretty awesome. Tell us something about them really fast. Yeah, man of little words. Okay, we're gonna go find something to eat. Sound good? Sound good. Okay, bye.
Are we gonna go stop traffic? Then stop.
I may or may not be. I may or may not be pumping gas barefoot at 7-Eleven. Yeah, classy.
Gatorade bottle.
What?
Yeah, she said stop saying Gatorade bottle because it's annoying.
And I did, didn't
Yeah,
I?
you said it one more time. I'm gonna tell you next time.
Mine that you're tearing up. Welcome to the family van.
From this day on, now and forevermore. We're rocking out to Phil Collins, y'all. Be in my heart. Mom, you'll forever be in my heart. She didn't even listen. We're home! Hi, everyone! Hi! Hi! We have a little monster on the stairs.
We are here.
His name is Dexter. Blah, blah.
Maybe the better you are here.